Just like any OS, you need to make sure that you're up to date. So we're going to type sudo apt-get update and press enter. It's then going to ask you for your password. Just type it in and press enter. Once that's done, now we're going to type sudo apt-get upgrade and press enter. Now it's going to ask if you want to continue. Type Y for yes and press enter. And finally, for the updates, once that's done, type sudo apt-get dist-upgrade and press enter. Again, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Just type Y for yes and click enter. And to finish it off, we're going to type sudo space reboot, enter, and that's going to reboot the system right back into where you are right now. And it's as easy as that. Ubuntu server should now be up and running. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, leave a like. If you want to subscribe, that would help me out a lot. Once again, thanks for watching.